Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious burrito mince. First, select high-quality ground meat for the best flavor and texture. Next, gather all your essential spices and aromatics. You'll then brown the meat thoroughly, ensuring it's cooked evenly. Finally, simmer the mixture with liquids to infuse all those wonderful tastes. This method guarantees a rich and satisfying result every time. Let's start by heating a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Now, add 1 pound of ground meat, breaking it up with a spoon as it cooks. Continue to brown the meat thoroughly, stirring occasionally until no pink remains. This usually takes around 8 minutes and creates a great base. Once your meat is perfectly browned, it's time to drain any excess fat from the pan. This step is crucial for a less greasy mince. Now, stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Pour in 1/2 cup of beef broth, ensuring all the spices are well combined with the meat. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste the mince and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding more salt or spice if desired. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro just before serving. Enjoy your perfectly seasoned burrito mince.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.